Hello friends, welcome to Mithi's kitchen. Again with a new session. Today we are making donuts for the breakfast. So I can show you the ingredients. I have 3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 beaten egg, and 3 tablespoon of butter. A tablespoon and a half with the active yeast, quarter teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoon of chini, sugar. So first we will add our ingredients in this one. Also we have like 120 milliliter or like 1.5 cup of milk. So we will add little bit in it as we need it. Then this is the 1 beaten egg that we will add, and also butter. Now we need to mix well. Donut is one of the our favorite breakfast in the morning. So like some of the days, not all the time. So slowly we will add flour in it, and then so now we will make nice flour with it. It will take more couple of minutes to mix it well, and we will make good dough with that. Hello friends, so now you can see that our dough is ready. It's really nice, soft. I have put little bit oil in it too, and you can see that how soft it is. So now I will keep dough probably 45 minutes to an hour, and we will keep it in the warm place. So I will cover that and I will put it for 45 minutes or hour. So friends, now you can see that our dough is pretty much fluffy, and is raised very much. So now what we will do, I will just show you the dough. But before we start dough, I have dark chocolate that I'm using for the glaze. So now I have one container of water inside, and this is the how we will melt the chocolate. So we will let it cook inside, getting melt, and we will start over here. So you can see that my dough is very good. At this point I will take it out like 1/3 of dough, and we will start putting one rolling pan. And you can see that we have to keep it like about an inch, little bit thick, so our donut will turn very good. So at this point we will start to cutting our donuts. So now we will make it hold, right? It has to be something sharp that you can make it. Friends, now we can see that our donut is ready. So I have put it, you can see that our oil warm very well. And at this point, I will add our donuts. And we don't have to fry on too high uh, oil because then it will be burnt and it will not turn out the way it should be, right? So oil temperature is very well, so you can see that our donut rings come out very good. So friends, now you can see that my donut is done. So what I'm doing, this is my plain sugar and this one is like a chocolate, you know that we have put it to the melting. So we will put it in that and we will make sure it's not dripping. So all donuts I will coating with this one, and then you can glaze lot of ways donuts, sometime like a brown chocolate or white, or such as like walnuts is more popular, but my kids likes more almonds, so I'm adding almond too. But it's really tasty for the breakfast, and especially for the kids lot and sometimes adults too. So you don't go wrong with it. Once in the while, we can eat little bit sweet. So you can see that. And actually, it's not that much sweet either. It's really good. Not much sugar is not, because we have just add couple teaspoon of sugar, so it's not much like sweet. In North America, this is the popular breakfast for the donuts and cup of coffee. You don't go wrong with it. They're just energetic for whole day, so it's a really good breakfast. So now you can see that our donut got good coated with the sugar. And now what we will do, we will put some cashews, sorry, walnut and almond. All we need to just so friends, now you can see that our donut is ready. I have few of them with the walnuts and few of them with the almond, and couple of them only just I sprinkle on sugar. So you can see that it's really very yummy. And I enjoy time to time, sometime like birthday or something when we celebrate, and in the morning we like to order from place. So it's really encouraged me to make donuts. And I have really follow very close recipes, so this is where we know that what the ingredients and how much we are using that. So I want you to follow these recipes. You will really enjoy that. If you have any question, comments, please leave it to our comment box. And I will be back again with another simple recipes. And my request to you, I want you to share with the friends and family. And please subscribe this channel if you are really like our food. Again, thank you so much and have a blessed day.